Hello, happy people. I hope everyone is staying safe, happy, and spreading your magical existence in this world. So, let us start today's gratitude hour. So, do you know? Recently, I have posted something regarding giving, which Frinto Naksha like Lidu's sister Frinto has shared. She told about how she just said thank you for the people who helped her to find the address. Even if they haven't helped, she said thank you, and that is how she felt good. So, uh, what are the things you feel that you can give to others other than any material thing?
That a question for everybody, Shivani?
Hello, Geeta ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Like this is one of the posts I have posted in our groups about one of the posts is about which Shailaja ma'am shared, and another is what Pintu shared, Nakshatra. So the post which Shailaja ma'am shared is about a person who just offered seats to people in the bus. That like even he knows that he cannot give any money or any other things to others. He just wants to give something to others, and that is how he just help others, giving his seat or like offering. And my question today is, what are the things we can give to others other than material? What we can give to others?
Thank you, Shivani. We can give space for them to express.
Wow. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. Yes, emotional support, listening to them, love, care. Thank you. Danush.
Yeah. Hello, happy people. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
We can give abundant other than material, and most of the things like what Pintu has said. Smile is the greatest thing that we can give. And in one word, what we can say about our character and how we should develop is something like which has been from olden days, and be like a tree, not like a stone. That's all. And
Very
after that we can give smile, love, care, support, time, everything. And when they are feeling lonely, the hand we give, uh, by keeping our hand in their hands, is the greatest thing that one can give, especially in hostel. Because I experienced it a lot and lot and lot. And
very
even when I go to home also, the hand and the sense that I get from my mother's hand is the greatest thing that I get, and that's everyone get from their mother's hand. And that's how the gratitude because that's the acceptance. Everyone don't have that acceptance, right? That how our gratitude mindset can open our. Thank you so much. I don't know how to explain, but I expressed. Thank you.
wonderful. Danush, do you have any reason you said about being a
About
tree and a stone?
yes, there are many, because in many of the situations I acted like a stone rather than like a tree. So the most things that will come into the place is, many things will come, and the first and most thing will come in the ego. Ego is the first thing that will make us like a stone rather than like a tree. So what makes you different to be happy is, even though something like you got what you wished, అంటే మనకు ఏది మనం అనుకున్నది వచ్చినా రాకపోయినా ఇన్ కేస్ మనం అనుకున్నది వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుండి రావాల్సి ఉండి మనకు రాకపోయినా కూడా ఇన్ కేస్ మనం వాళ్ళ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఉంటే మనం కూడా వాళ్ళలాగా వేయొద్దు. వాళ్ళలాగా చేయకుండా మనం ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ లైక్ ఎ ట్రీ అండ్ దట్ మేక్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఫర్ అస్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్. అదే వాళ్ళకు మనకున్న వ్యత్యాసం చూపెట్టేది అక్కడనే. లైక్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఇప్పుడు నేను కూడా పొజిషన్లో ఉంటే అట్లనే చేసినాం అనుకో, దట్స్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాట్. అదే కదా కృతజ్ఞత భావం అంటే, అదే ఇంకా దట్స్ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ మైండ్ సెట్. మనము చెప్పాలంటే ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇన్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్స్. వాళ్ళ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం అట్లనే చేస్తే అది కాదు తప్పు, వాళ్ళు అట్లనే చేసిన మనం కూడా అట్లనే చేయొద్దు. అంటే నేను అదే తిప్పి తిప్పి చెప్తున్నా కానీ చెప్పాలంటే అంతే.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Dhanush. I loved that. I loved what you said. So, any more things you want to share?
I have a question.
Yes.
Do we have to do something in every situation?
Do we have to do something in every situation?
Yes, where we feel like help is needed, and you feel that compassion, but every time action these koala.
Is
No,
smile
ma'am,
considered
not really.
is smile considered a action?
It-
Is hug considered an
it-
action? Or you're talking about material stuff?
No. Smile, hug, those also.
Okay. But I think the basic thing which we can always do is hug and smile and be thoughtful. Those things I think we should try to do it in every situation. But trying to say, okay, I'll give money to other people. I am not really sure whether that is a situation that works. I don't think it works in most situations, by the way. I have tried giving, practice that just to see what happens and everything, and most times it didn't work.
Yeah. Absolutely. That has been my experience most of the time. Not always. Sometimes it works.
Right.
But you feel the compassion, but there's really there's no action that you can take at times. I
Right.
feel, yeah.
The smile,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
empathy, the compassion, they work far more and almost all the time than money.
Thank you, my dear friend.
Okay, thank you.
My answer for your question would be, according to me, ma'am, like we just have to be ourselves. Like if you don't want to, if like what I do every day is, if I want to smile, I will. If I don't, I will not. And that is how we be ourselves. And uh, as you said, we cannot do everything all the time. Like,
Yes.
and sometimes being doing nothing also helps.
Correct.
Like, did you
Yeah.
see this five star chocolate ad, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, beautiful example. Yes. Thank you for
Doing
reminder.
all
Yes.
these things is okay. It's okay.
Yeah. So that's and of course there's not one right or wrong answer here, right? That's the thing. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. It doesn't mean you don't have compassion. That's what I am
Yeah.
learning
Yeah.
every
Wonderful.
day. Yeah. Don't I feel we shouldn't, there's boundaries, personal boundaries also, and that I'm learning so much about that, personal boundaries. So you don't need to violate your own personal boundaries to do certain things, where exactly you hit the nail on the head. If I don't want to smile, I won't smile. So
Yes.
thank you, Shivani.
Thank you, ma'am. Teju,
Yeah, I have a point.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, if we smile though we do not want, then it hurts us. That's why it is better we do not smile when we feel like not smiling.
Very nice, Triveni.
Teja, you said you have a question.
Hello everyone. So here is my question. Very short and sweet, and you should take only 2 minutes, like 7:14. No, like I will from 7:15 to 7:17. Okay. So what's my question is a two-letter English word which gives you everything you wanted. Everything you want to be billionaire, you want to be conquer this entire world, or you do nothing or anything, like whatever you want it will give you. So that is give only two-letter English word. So come on, guess, starting time now.
Am,
Is it me?
am,
Teju,
We,
I will consider
yeah, yes.
everybody's answers. Please write in the chat box.
We,
So I'm finding so many answers. అందరు చెప్పేశారా? So it is
Yes,
very even
Teju.
2 minutes కూడా అవ్వలేదు. So sharp you guys.
Yeah, you should ask the reason behind that too.
Yes. I do definitely.
If it
Everybody
is the
completes.
correct answer.
Everybody. Okay. Time is going to up. I will give another 1 minute. Still anybody want to take a chance? I am not finding. Some of you are not answered. Come on. Where is my buddy's answer?
Buddy also said we. She is here.
Okay. So in the options, I got my answer, and I will really appreciate that answer. Who that person? Yes. Okay, it's up. So my answer, and I'm congratulating Mr. Tarun and Kranti who did it well, because do whatever that gives you everything you wanted. Becoming we also doing. That means you started a step towards doing, making your friends. That is a do. And you are believing and you are watching a video. That is do, which is it may be inspiring one anything. And you, but that is do. You will do. So anything you do, you will get it right. So making friends, having family, uh, preparing for exams, anything you wanted to. If you want to become a billionaire, you want a specific planning. So you have to do that. So everything which will give you whatever you wanted is you first do it. Do. Thank you. Thank you, Kranti and
Wonderful.
so, and even every answer which you all given is specifically super answers. But I consider the first one is do, and I hope um, the the explanation to my answer is helps. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you.
Yes, Kranti, Tarun, I told the answer in the question because I can't say the sentence without.
Yes, Shraddha.
How? Like, can you repeat it?
We can do anything అంటే అక్కన్నారక్క డూ అనే వర్డ్ వచ్చింది
నేను అది క్లూ లాగా ఇచ్చాను మీరు you got it.
అవునా మేము తీసుకోలేదు.
Because you already fixed some answer in your mind, and that's why you are
Yeah.
willing to some trick I given. Yeah, thank you.
Wonderful explanation, Tej. Thank you so much for this question.
Okay, bye.
So, as one of the things, so today, uh, as our gratitude hour will be for 35 minutes, we will do the last 10 minutes, like we will watch movie at the last 10 minutes. uh, for these 5 minutes I just want to share something with you which I have realized and realized, or which I have understood, felt, and it is making me lighter. So uh, let me share that. Like, what 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 do you do if someone hurts you? Someone, like whoever may be, what do you do? How do you deal with that person or that situation?
First of all, hello, Akka.
Ah,
First of all, I will move from that place, Akka. I will go from that place later, maybe at evening or next day or 2 days after. I will try to sort it out. If not, I won't talk with them again.
okay. Thank you, Kanti, for sharing. Does anyone want to share before the things which I want to share? Okay, let me go. So whenever I come across these people who are not grateful, who are, sometimes this happens, right? We are human beings. Sometimes this happens, and when I face those things, or whenever I get hurt or someone hurts me, I just follow this two three sutras. First one is I forgive them. I forgive them because uh, it is one of the very powerful at easier things we can do. Even if someone comes to, like, hurt you, kill you, also you should forgive them. That is one of the things I realize. And second thing is we should just smile at them, no matter what they do. We should just smile. And this way you are not giving the power to them to make you feel bad, unhappy, or something like that. Smile is one of the other second sutras, which will make you stronger more than them, more than them. And third thing is I just be grateful for their foolishness. Uh, లైక్ ఇమ్మెచ్యూర్గా ఉన్నారు ఆ చిన్న పిల్లలు, ఇక ఏం తెలియదేమో అందుకే అట్లా మాట్లాడిండ్రేమో అని, అంతే. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లైడ్, అండ్ it just makes us very feel lighter and happier too. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share this. So for 2 minutes, let us just discuss. Yeah, Tejo, do you have? Yes, you can speak to.
Yeah. What if someone hurts me? So that answer, according to me, is, so first of all, if they are very closer to me, I compromise myself and go and tell what's wrong with going with hers. So that's my first step with very close people. Then um, in the medium size, like not very careful, but like friends, I I basically tell, I'll show that I'm not that. So because maybe they might be hurt because of me, So but I try one more situation that makes not that that is not happen because of me, or me. Um, maybe I'll show one more chance for them. ఒకటేసారి చెప్పకుండా, లైక్ ఒకటేసారి మీతో మాట్లాడకుండా అట్లేము, I will give one more chance for them, even for 2 chances, but not more than that. So For the people who, okay, I believe that they are in not my path, I ignore just. I basically don't even care about that. Okay, I'll smile as you said, and I say that okay, whatever the she or he wanted help me, okay, I'll do. But I just ignore that. Thank you.
Wonderful, Devu. Thank you so much for sharing. Uh, does anyone have anything to share, or shall we go to the movie?
Shivani, I just want to say, actually, what you shared was very powerful, not giving your power away, right? Shravan
Yes.
sir put that in the comments. But what Teju said, that is how I am too, most of the time. You give them a couple of chances. If it repeats, then don't have, just forgive, but you don't need to associate anymore. That's how I am. I just withdraw. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you, ma'am. Triveni, can you share? So let us go to watch a movie. Smile. Okay, smile. I
हम इन नन्हे मुन्नों को मेन स्ट्रीम में सेटल करने के सपने देख रहे हैं.
ईशान का पहला दिन स्कूल में और उप्स उसका पहला पार्टनर. बाय बाय मामा ये कहीं नहीं आएगा. एक रोते नहीं.
दोस्तों, आज मैं तुम लोगों को एक कहानी सुनाऊंगा. एक लड़के की कहानी. एक लड़का था, मत पूछो किधर. वो पढ़ लिख नहीं पाता था. लाख कोशिशों बाद उसको रहता ना था याद कि y x के बाद आता था. अल्फाज उसके दुश्मन उसकी आंखों के सामने नाचते थे. डांस कर करके जी भर भर के बेचारे को सताते थे. लिखना पढ़ना थका देता उसको. दुखड़े अपने सुनाता वो किसको. भेजा फुल था, स्टार्टर गुल था, ऊपर से एबीसी डिस्को. फेल हो गया एक दिन बेचारा. पढ़ने लिखने के बोझ का मारा. लोगों ने उसे गधा बेवकूफ कहा. बच्चे ने सारा अपमान बहादुरी से सहा. फिर एक सवेरे उसने सोना उगला. चेरी जो सुनी जहां ने सारा जहां पिघला. बोलो बोलो कौन है वो.
अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन.
करेक्ट राजन, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. जीनियस, महान साइंटिस्ट, जिसने दुनिया को अपनी थियोरी और रिलेटिविटी से हिला के रख दिया. द ब्राउनियन मोशन, द फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट, फॉर विच ही वाज अवार्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज इन 1921. अब बताओ कि ये क्या है. हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं है ये। द ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट इन्वेंटर लियोनार्डो डा विंची। कौन? हाँ, उन्होंने ये तस्वीर बनाई थी, अ वर्किंग स्केच ऑफ अ हेलीकॉप्टर। लेकिन कब? 15वीं सदी में। पहला हवाई जहाज उड़ता उससे 400 साल पहले। जानते हो, लियोनार्डो डा विंची को पढ़ने लिखने में बड़ी तकलीफ होती थी। कुछ ऐसा लिखते थे विंची साहब। कुछ समझ में आया? आप पढ़ो। ईशान, जरा लाइट ऑन करना प्लीज। किस महान हस्ती ने दुनिया को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से रोशन किया?
एडिसन, थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन।
बिल्कुल सही ईशान, वेरी गुड। वो भी बेचारा था एबीसीडी का मारा। आओ बैठो ईशान। नहीं, लाइट रहने दो। एडिसन भाई की रोशनी हम पर पड़ती रहे। ओके, इसको तो सब जानते हैं। बचपन में इसको भी पढ़ने लिखने में तकलीफ होती थी, लेकिन अब देखो क्या धूम मचा रहा है। और भी हैं असली नमूने। पाब्लो पिकासो, फेमस क्यूबिस्ट पेंटर, उसको 7 नंबर कभी समझ में नहीं आया। कहता था ये तो मेरा अंकल की उल्टी नाक है। मिकी माउस का बाप कौन? करेक्ट, वॉल्ट डिज्नी। अक्षरों से परेशान, डाल दी कार्टूनों में अपनी जान। नील डायमंड, पॉपुलर सिंगर, लाल लाल रिपोर्ट कार्ड के शर्म में डूबा गाने लिखता। एगाथा क्रिस्टी, फेमस मिस्ट्री बुक राइटर। यकीन करोगे, एक लेखिका जो बचपन में पढ़ लिख नहीं पाती थी। लेकिन आज सडनली मैं तुम लोगों से ये सब क्यों बता रहा हूं? तुम्हें ये दिखाने कि दुनिया में ऐसे ऐसे हीरे पैदा हुए हैं जिन्होंने सारी दुनिया का नक्शा ही बदल दिया, क्योंकि ये दुनिया को अपनी अलग नजर से देख पाए। दिमाग उनके जरा हटके थे, आसपास वालों को बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ, तकलीफें खड़ी कर दी। इसके बावजूद वो जीते, और ऐसे जीते कि दुनिया देखती रह गई। इन सिकंदरों, कलंदरों, बिलंदरों के नाम आज की आर्ट क्लास। इनको याद करते हुए इस 4 दीवारी के बाहर कदम रखेंगे और कुछ अलग बनाएंगे, डिफरेंट, कुछ भी जी में आए वो उठाओ, पत्थर, लकड़ी, कचरा, कुछ भी। चलो छोटे तालाब की तरफ बढ़ना शुरू करो।
There is another thing. It will take just few minutes. Okay.
So, to energize all of you until the next gratitude hour, we are going to present a beautiful dance video by, I don't know, but yeah, please have a look. It is very, very short and sweet.
Very good, Rama.
So I hope everyone enjoyed and the dance. How are you feeling about it?
Obviously energized.
So can we dance now? Yeah, you can dance, Dhanush. Why not? So I want all of you to make a full energized for next gratitude hour. So this is our conclusive energetic performance, and she's not even closer to me because these programs we frequently happens in our villages. So it is one of the video which has happened in nearby village. So that was most famous in our villages. So I do wanted to share that. See, what I learned from her is you should not think anything while you are dancing. No, either you perform well or not, you should be enjoying. Nothing else was there. You are just dancing, whether if anybody are appreciating you, seeing you, nothing matters. Dance like no one is watching. Just enjoy. Yeah, that is what I learned from her. So this is our gratitude hour today. Me, Shivani, Triveni, Tejashree signing off.